So guys, the new Namecheap coupon code is out in the market. So make sure to click on the link in the description. Once you click on exclusive discount link for Namecheap, you will be led to a special page like this where you can see an amazing deal running right now. If you scroll below, you may see a special sale that is exclusively for those people who have clicked on the link in the description for Namecheap, and you're gonna see that there is a .com domain sale running right now. There is a private email sale running right now. There's a managed WordPress hosting sale where you can save as much as up to 40%, and a free domain with shared hosting where you can save as much as up to 70%, and a free business startup is running right now. The procedure is very easy. For instance, if you're going to with the shared hosting, go over there on the plans, and you're gonna see that you are saving as much as up to 70% off on your first year through the Namecheap special discount link, and the discount is valid on all of the Namecheap services. So either you buy a domain over here, there is a special .com domain running right now offer, or you may see over here multiple deals running right now with domains, hosting, web security, build and grow up. Everything is on a special sale. So make sure that you guys click on the link in the description for the Namecheap to enjoy this amazing web hosting deals and the domain deals. And if I go back over here, I can select this one as well plan. So you can see over here I'm being moved over here again, and I can see amazing deals, business starter kit, shared hosting discounts running right now. So every on email discounts over here. So you can see over here WordPress hosting discount is over here. So I can grab discount on almost everything, and I can create website with a special 14-day trial. Make sure to click on the Namecheap link. The site maker is on the discount as well, and everything is on the discount at Namecheap through this special discount link. So use this special Namecheap discount link to enjoy this amazing discount at Namecheap and enjoy your web hosting, domain, email marketing tools, and all of the services with Namecheap. So good luck with your plan of buying through Namecheap.